Tuesday, August 26th, between Tallow and Willow Creek. With no small risk to ourselves, we managed to rescue the villagers from certain death. The endless rain and nightmarish parade of living corpses has left an indelible imprint of the events of yesterday on my mind. As we hurried back to Willow Creek, Rurik, one of the village leaders, demanded to be taken to see the mayor of Tallow. When questioned, he offered us little, save that he had important information about the recent grave robberies. Rurik is well respected by the townspeople, so Kruniak chose not to press him further for information. Willow Creek was attacked repeatedly last night. Kruniak stationed archers on the perimeter of the town, and the bowmen were able to pick off the stumbling corpsemen as they approached. But there seemed to be no end to them. We have even seen soulless and ghouls skulking about on the outskirts of town. All of us are beginning to worry, including Kruniak. When we departed, the commander left a handful of men to protect the village. The rest of us are headed to Tallow with Rurik.
Got it. Yes, sir. We're moving. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Follow me.
Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Got it.
Don't let him get me!
Yes, sir. Got it.
What now, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Ready.
Got it.
Make up your mind.
Yes.
Catch! Burn!
Got him. Yes. We're moving.
What? Move here, move there.
Yes, sir. We're moving.
Yes, sir. Yeah! Yes, sir. Yeah! Yes! Come on, tell
Yes.
us this way. Burn! Yeah, make up your mind. Yes!
We're moving. Got it.
Catch! Make up your mind.
Your orders, sir. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir.
Yeah! Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Move here, move there. Move here, move there.
Yes. Your orders, sir. Yes.
Yeah, it's the
We're
enemy!
moving. Yes.
Okay. Burn!
Yes. Got it. Yes. Let's get him.
Yes, sir. Okay.
We're on it.
Casualty.
Yeah.
Burn!
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
We're moving. We're moving. We're moving. Sir? Yes, sir? Yes. Yes. Yes.
Move here, move there.
Yes, sir. We're moving. Yep. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. All right. Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We're on it. There. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Got it. Yes, got it. Got it. Your orders, sir.
What are you doing? Come on.
We're moving. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Got it. Got it. Yes,
They're
sir.
right behind us. The town is just up ahead.
Ready.
Mic up, young man.
Yep.
Yeah.
Chickens, attack! Move over. Stand clear.
Yes, sir. Burn!
Yes. Let's get him.
Uh-oh.
Move here, move there.
Move over.
Stand.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Got it. Got it.
Open the gates!
Got it. Got it. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes. Yes.
Clear the gates!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes. Yes, sir.
Here we go!